everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Gqeberha, the Empire, from the 18th to the 22nd of December 2023 on Monday. Zimkhitha kicks Ntando out of the house and makes veiled threats. Nozuko is doing her best not to end up back where she started. Ntando continued to cry about Thulani breaking his vows on Tuesday. Ntando vows to get justice for his brother Ntando, extend an olive branch to his siblings, much to Zimkhitha's chagrin. Funeka has a heart-to-heart with her daughter on Wednesday. An unexpected find sent Ntando into a tailspin. Ntando find out about Funeka and Msimilo's secrets. Nozuko considers an alliance with Ntando on Thursday. Zimkhitha tells Ntando the truth about his paternity. Msimelelo is not sure how to or how he will finance the extravagant wedding that Funeka wants. Nozuko learns something that makes Nthando's story make sense on Friday. Zimkhitha does not want to live anymore. Msimelo's romantic picnic for Funeka turns sour. Ntando spills all the beans to Thulani. Well guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.